today's topic of discussion is polarity and dipole moment. What is polarity? Polarity is a molecule's separation of electric charge, and dipole moment is a measure of the separation of the electric charge. For example, HF, because of the difference in electronegativity between hydrogen and fluorine, is said to be a polar molecule where hydrogen gets the delta plus and fluorine the delta minus. So that means if we look at the electronegativity, fluorine is more electronegative compared to chlorine, compared to bromine, compared to iodine. Alright, so that means, is it true that most of the fluorides are most polar? Most polar means we measure the dipole moments. So let's take this example, which is a unique example, that fluorine being more electronegative, the dipole moment of CH3F should have been higher compared to CH3Cl, Br and I if we have the electronegative trend. What is dipole moment, by the way? Dipole moment is a measure of charge in the internuclear distance. So in this case, maybe then we can talk about the distance where Ri distance is more compared to Rbr, compared to Rcl, compared to Rf. So this is the reactivity, because Ri bond is the longest bond, so the distance Ri is the longest. Fluorine is most electronegative. Now how do we go about solving this problem of dipole moment? So I just listed down the dipole moments of fluoromethane, chloromethane, bromomethane and iodomethane. If you see, the dipole moment of chloromethane is higher compared to fluoromethane. And how is that? That means I have to interchange the Cl with the F, and this is 1.86 and this is 1.487. Right? So this is the trend of the dipole moment which I have mentioned. Then how is the dipole moment actually measured? So the resultant dipole moment is equal to the dipole moment of the first polar bond whose square, and this is the dipole moment of the second polar bond. Actually the formula which guides the resultant dipole moment. So if we understand that after doing the calculation, we'll end up with these values. This is something that you've got to remember, and CH3Cl is experimentally more compared to that of CH3F. Okay, hope you have liked it. Thank you for watching.